When it comes to travel, packing is often the most challenging part. Having the right suitcase can make a huge difference in how comfortable and convenient your trip is. There are several types of suitcases to choose from, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. So let's dive into them. The first type is the carry-on suitcase. As the name suggests, this is a small suitcase that can be carried on a plane with you. It is perfect for short trips or weekend getaways. They are also great for business travelers who want to avoid the hassle of checking luggage. Another type of suitcase is the checked luggage. This is a larger suitcase that you check in at the airport. Checked luggage is ideal for longer trips where you need to pack more items. However, it can be more difficult to handle and transport. A third type of suitcase is the backpack. This is a popular option for backpackers or travelers who want to explore a city on foot. Backpacks are lightweight and easy to carry, making them ideal for adventures where you'll be doing a lot of walking. Another type of suitcase is the rolling duffel bag. This is a hybrid between a backpack and a traditional suitcase. It has wheels, making it easy to transport, but also has straps so you can carry it like a backpack. Rolling duffel bags are ideal for people who want the convenience of wheels but also the versatility of a backpack. Lastly, we have the hard-sided suitcase. This is a suitcase that has a hard shell to protect your items. Hard-sided suitcases are great for protecting fragile items, but they can be heavy and difficult to handle. Now that we've gone over the different types of suitcases, let's talk about the types of trips they are best for. For short trips or weekend getaways, a carry-on suitcase is the best option. You'll be able to pack everything you need without having to check any bags. For longer trips, a checked luggage suitcase is the way to go. You'll have plenty of space to pack everything you need, and you won't have to worry about lugging a heavy bag around with you. If you're planning on doing a lot of walking, a backpack is the perfect choice. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can explore a city on foot without any hassle. If you want the convenience of wheels but also the versatility of a backpack, a rolling duffel bag is the way to go. It's perfect for people who want the best of both worlds. Lastly, if you're carrying fragile items or expensive electronics, a hard-sided suitcase is the best option. It will protect your items from any bumps or knocks during transit. In conclusion, choosing the right suitcase can make a big difference in how comfortable and convenient your trip is. Consider the type of trip you're taking, and choose a suitcase that will meet your needs. We hope this video was helpful, and happy travels!